Brightwater Linen, as part of the commercial sector within the Brightwater Care Group, is a 200-tonne linen facility processing out of the Malaga suburb in northern Perth. We currently service and specialise in accommodation, aged care and mining sector linen, covering metropolitan Perth as well as near regional. Servicing a range of customers across that accommodation, mining and aged care network, we utilise 7 trucks for the metropolitan areas per day across 7 days per week, as well as near country serviced by our clients within Kalgoorlie, Geraldton and the southwest. At Brightwater Linen, we were looking to partner with a new chemical company that had similar customer-centric values as well as Brightwater core values in its business alignment. Within JayChem, we found those values with new technology and a chemical system that could not be matched. Even before agreeing to terms with JayChem, Brightwater Linen were more than impressed with JayChem's ability to discuss and outline the transition process, as well as the timelines involved. Through the transition itself, Brightwater Linen received no downtime in changeover from its incumbent supplier. From a 200-tonne facility, that's a more than critical metric for us, and the first week's results have been absolutely outstanding.
Hi, my name's Ian Elliott from JayChem. I'm at Brightwater Linen today, a customer who we share strong cultural and business beliefs. Our integration with Brightwater Linen went seamlessly as we integrated 3 batch washers and 8 washer extractors across the weekend to ensure absolutely no interruptions to the Brightwater Linen production. From the moment we turned the system on, we've seen immediate improvement. Not only were we able to wash at a lower temperature, which will result in energy savings for the facility, we've seen an improvement in whiteness and linen's feel. We were able to bring linen back into circulation and also machinery that had been redundant for over 18 months, which has increased production capacity for Brightwater. Our ongoing business improvement team will also work hard to ensure the customer sees those benefits not only now, but into the future.
Now 1 week post-transition with JayChem, the Brightwater Linen management team has already seen some of the business promises come to fruition. With lower temperature washes, better reject quality outcomes, and better outcomes for our clients, we are more than impressed with the transition process.